The only thing sweeter than Nutella is Margot Robbie.
You want to know how I got these scars? From eating too many Lays.
Checking, waiting on this drop like a storm in the sky. Now the new model's here and it's taking me high. I'm talking power in the lines, every word is a flame. Feeling turbocharged, can't hold back the game.
WAN 2.5 has arrived and unveiled a mind-blowing feature that literally changes everything. Now all you need to do is pick a ready-made movement inside the tool, upload your photo, and in a fraction of a second you'll see that same plain static photo turn into an insanely cool cinematic video with completely natural movements. This isn't just a small update, this means Higgsfield is officially taking the game to the next level. The combination of speed, 1080p quality, dynamic motion, and precise audio syncing has made its outputs beat many famous competitors, even VEO3. So stay until the end of this video because we're going to run a few real tests together, and you'll see why WAN 2.5 is way stronger and cooler than anything you've ever seen before. Click the link I've put in the description, go to the website, and hit the Sign Up button. Now you can easily log in with your Google, Apple, or Microsoft account. Don't have any of them? No problem. Just enter your email and password and your registration is complete. Simple and fast. As soon as you enter the website, you'll see the page filled with photos, videos, and posters related to this new feature, WAN 2.5. Now, if you scroll down and click on the button View All WAN 2.5 Community, you can see tons of ready-made sample videos, the ones already created by other users. That way, before you even use the tool yourself, you can see the outputs with your own eyes and get inspired. Alright, now we've entered the user panel. The first step is to upload your photo. For example, here I uploaded one of my own photos. Then you need to write your prompt. But if you don't know how to write prompts, don't worry at all. There's an option here called Enhance On that rewrites your text in a much clearer and more understandable way so the tool can create a stronger output. Next, you have to set the video duration, for example between 5 to 10 seconds, and finally choose the resolution. And the last step, just click the Generate button and wait for your awesome video to be created. Now, why has this new update, WAN 2.5, become so special and viral? Because for the first time, there are no limits anymore. You can generate as many outputs as you want, and on top of that, you also get a few free uses every day. All videos are created in HD quality. That means 1080p, so the final result looks just like professional cinematic work. In terms of length, you're no longer limited to 8 seconds like VEO3. Now you can create longer videos up to 10 seconds. Of course, the comparisons I make are based on my opinion. On the other hand, WAN 2.5 has 3 different aspect ratios, so whether you want to create content for TikTok and Reels or for YouTube, everything is ready. The more important point is that the sound, lips, music, and effects are all generated precisely in sync without you needing to do extra editing. Even complex and abstract prompts are properly understood, and you get a very realistic and professional output. The movements and camera work have also become completely cinematic. No more stiff and plain motion. Now everything is dynamic and alive. And this is just the beginning because Higgsfield has built a complete ecosystem. You can edit the output with Nano Banana, add voice and dialogue with Infinite Talk and Soul, and turn the whole project into a fully finished piece of content. Look at this result. Do you think it's even possible to tell this was made with AI? In my opinion, it looks like a professional team was behind it. You guys tell me in the comments what you think. Let's try it one more time. I upload my photo again, and this time I give it a heavier prompt. I want it to turn me into Superman. I set the video quality and duration to the maximum possible. Let's see what it does. By the way, let me say this while the video is being generated. If you don't have an account, you'll need to wait in the user queue, which takes a little time. But with an account, you won't have these issues. Man, the more I use this tool, the more it surprises me with its quality. I've completely fallen in love with this WAN 2.5 update, and now it's publicly available. Through the link I've put in the description, you can easily access it. Now it's your turn. You can go right now, enter the site, and try it out. Don't forget to write your experiences for me in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next videos. Until the next video, bye-bye.